I'm back! I know! You missed me, and I missed me too. No, I'm just kidding. Of course I miss you. You guys are the life force of this channel, and I greatly appreciate you. And yeah, I really do miss you a lot. I just want to say hi, hope you're doing well and staying safe. And you're probably wondering, Wild, where the heck have you been? And that is a valid question, my friends. And let's kind of get into it with a short little segment video here. It kind of boils down to three things. Number one is, in the first half of 2021, I got offered so many opportunities and avenues that I never thought would ever come my way. I got to work with entrepreneurs, companies, businesses that all ranged from like fintech, financial institutions, SaaS companies, which is software as a service, people starting and building their own products, brick and mortar stores, people that want to be content creators or influencers, and people that kind of want to get into content creation. And it goes well beyond that, but I never thought I would have these opportunities. And it was too good to say no, not just for the money, but because I got to see if my validation of my knowledge would work. It did, but I also got to learn from all these different sectors. And it was so awesome that I always want to share what I learned from that and give it to you because it's going to help you explode as a content creator and live streamer. But I never got the opportunity because I'm under NDAs, which are non-disclosure agreements. But you know what? Some of those ended in 2021. So now I get to talk about what I learned or what I shared and how it helped those companies either expand their brand, expand their value, expand their community, or more importantly for a lot of you out there, how to make money. We don't talk about that enough. We need to talk about how we can start making you more money. And I was able to take some of these people and companies and start 2xing, 4xing, 6xing, 8xing, and 10xing what they were doing. And I want to start sharing that with you, but we have to start small because we got to build that confidence and that base. And it's so unique and sometimes super simple what you can do. I've also had a lot of companies reach out to me and wanted to do more product reviews and more on their services, which I love doing. In fact, I have so many products just sitting in my extra spare bedroom. Let me show you them real quick. All right, let's take a look here. We got LED panels, LED panels, LED panels, microphones, boom arms, micro lights for streaming, RGB lights, RGB lights, RGB lights, products all sent from Logitech. Let's see what we got on this other side over here. We've got stabilizers, portable monitors, microphone arms, boom arms, stabilizer arms for monitors, game capture cards, RGB, cloud computing stuff in games. Then we got, oh geez, cameras and cameras and cameras and cameras. And then we've got microphones, 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 and microphones. It's a lot I gotta go through. All right, we're back in front of the camera. Number two is, because I started making more money, I really told myself the last half of the year I was gonna dedicate more to me. Not because I had burnout or anything like that. In fact, it was quite the opposite. I was very hungry and thirsty to work on something new. And one of my passions is art. I love being creative, not just for the sake of expressing myself, but for the sake of it really helps my mentality of get the bullshit out of my life. I like to focus and de-stress with it. And I opened up a new YouTube channel called Wild Creates that I think I opened up like a year and a half ago, maybe a little longer, but I didn't really concentrate on it till this year. I told myself I'm gonna do at least one video a week and see how hard I can do that channel. And I was able to grow that channel to 13,000 subscribers. And I opened up YouTube channel members, and I've got a nice chunk of YouTube channel members that is a nice recurring revenue. But also, that channel, I was able to monetize it and started making hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month off the channel, and then hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars off affiliation sales. And then I was able to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars selling art. I had all these different avenues of making income. And I want to share how I was able to grow that channel or how I was able to make all these different revenue streams because that's super important as a content creator and live streamer. And you know the important thing about that is the platforms have changed. I thought I could replicate the same things that I did before, like on this channel. No, things have changed so much that I had to relearn a lot of things. And I want to share, again, the tips, the tricks, the insights, what you need to do to really start growing this day and age. Because you know what? The platforms are going to continue to change and we have to learn how to pivot and move with the curve or ahead of the curve technically. The last one, it's a personal one. Don't worry, I'm fine. But I started online dating. Very unique thing to do during a pandemic, and more unique thing to do when you're a live streamer and gamer. It's been interesting, and it will probably we'll probably save the stories for another time because, oh my God, there's some doozies. But I haven't had any bad experiences. I'm still hoping for that one bad experience. Hey, maybe that can be you. Fingers crossed. But the one thing online dating and having a normal life again has taught me is reevaluating how you have to have balance as a live streamer and content creator. There's only so many hours in the day, and you can't have all of them in front of your phone or your computer. I started living a lot more life, and it's been way better for me. And you know what? I've been able to enjoy more of me and my money and how I use it and how I'm around people. And it's been awesome. So what I want to do with this channel is I want to take a little bit of a channel update and a personal life update and combine it into new forms of content. I don't want to pigeonhole myself to just quick Twitch tips or mobile streaming applications or live streaming strategies. I want to encapsulate so much more going forward. Yeah, I'm still going to do those things because I feel like I do a great job of giving you strategies and information right up front about how to use something or why this product may help you or why it's best in short snippets to where you can understand and you can trust me because I'm looking out for your best interest. But I want to show you how to go beyond that. We're going to start getting into things that are going to go huge into metaverse and brand and expectations of growing communities outside just centralized platforms, how you can have reoccurring revenue streams or multiple revenue streams coming in to support you. I want you to start learning things like diversification. I want you to learn things of if you can't get discovered, how can you force discoverability your way? So many new things coming your way, and I'm very, very excited about it. So excited, I'm gonna get back into being consistent. One video a week on this channel, starting next week from here on out. And if there's something you wanna see from me or something's changed, you want an update about it, I would love to hear from you. I live and die by what you guys want on this channel. Don't read all the toxic comments, I delete those. Hey, that's another thing I gotta get back into doing is getting to all the comments. But please, 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 let me know what you want, what you struggle with, where you wanna go, how you need help. Legitimate questions, legitimate theories, legitimate inquiries, not just, hey, would it be better to stream on Tuesday? I don't know. Look at your analytics. That's something you can answer yourself. If you struggle with how to use analytics, I'll help you there. But let me know what you want. But I just want to take a quick moment and say, because of the money I've made and the time and effort and energy you give into my videos, I've been able to have a better life. And thank you for that. I really do genuinely owe you so much, which is why I'm going to start kicking butt this year and really start pushing the envelope, being more active on social media, start growing in certain aspects, and start really pushing back against things that I don't agree with or that should be in front of you, or maybe even calling out some people that are giving you bad information. Hey, I don't mind drama. I'm old now. I mean, if I can weather online dating in a pandemic, I can weather some online drama. I'm a strong man. We'll get through it. But again, just want to say thank you. And if you like my videos, make sure you can support me by subscribing and hitting the bell down below. If you're into art, hit the subscribe button in the video description for my Wild Creates channel and hit the bell. And I will see you all next week. Peace.